To reach your first 1000 subscribers, you usually need around 2500 views in total. Now, don't let that scare you. That doesn't mean you need to upload about 200 videos. It means to learn how to get more views per video. If your video gets around 100 views, you will need a lot of upload. But if you can push your videos to get thousands of views, then you will hit that 1000 subscriber mark very fast. So the question is this: how do we actually get more views per video? The answer is simple. Don't guess. Don't just sit there and thinking of random video ideas. The fastest way to grow your subscriber base is to model what is already working on the internet, on YouTube. Think about it. The big YouTubers don't wake up in the morning and then just randomly record a video or record an idea. They look at what is already trending on YouTube, what people are already watching, and then they put their own twist on it. That is the secret and is what you can do even as a beginner that you are. And all you need to do is to go to your YouTube search bar and search for keyword in your niche. Let's say you are into gaming or cooking or vlogging. Just search those terms and look at the videos with the highest views, then pay close attention to their titles and thumbnail. Don't copy them, but model them. Use their ideas as inspiration and then make it your own. And then you need to pay close attention to this because it is very important. Change at least 2 things in the thumbnail and don't just screenshot the thumbnail and then put it on your own video. Add your own face, or instead make the colors brighter and add narrows, like add some text or even put your own face there to make it your personal thumbnail. This way your video is going to stand out, but it's still riding on a proven idea that people are already interested in. Now, what happens after someone click your video? Because getting clicks is just one step, and if people click and then leave in the first 5 seconds, YouTube will stop pushing your video, and that is why your intro is everything you need to pay attention to. Here is what to do. The first line of your video must confirm to the viewer that they click the right video. If your title say how to get 1000 subscribers or how to make money online, then your first line should be something like this: in this video I'm going to teach you the best way you can start making money online, or in this video I'm going to teach you the best way you can get your 1000 subscribers fast than you ever thought possible. This is going to make the viewers feel safe because they know they don't get clickbaited. The second thing to do in your intro is to open a loop. That simply means give them a reason to stay. So for example, you can say something like this: at the end of this video I will share the exact script I use to grow one of my videos from 0 to 1000 views. After you say this, then the viewer's brain is going to stay open to hear what you want to say because they are going to be curious and they will want to learn more of what you are saying, and this is going to keep them watching your video, and then your average view duration is going to high. And the third part of your intro is setting the expectation. If your video is going to be fast paced, then tell them, and you can say something like this: stick with me because in the next 10 minutes I will give you everything you need. And if it's something that is going to be slower, if your video is going to be slower and more detailed, you can let them know too, so that they don't get bored when they are watching your video, because if they actually get bored, they are going to leave and stop watching your video, and that is sending a bad signal to the algorithm that is pushing your video to more people on YouTube. Now that you have your intro, the body of your video is the main thing you need to pay attention to. And the key is to keep people watching your video. You can raise questions and then answer them for yourself. For example, you might say something like this: there's one trick that can instantly boost your watch time, and you will tell them, don't worry, I will explain. But first, let's talk about this. And that way, the viewer's brain is going to set to be waiting for what you want to say, to be waiting for the answer, and they will stay longer because they are actually waiting for the answer. And here is one of the most powerful tricks: confirmation bias. Sounds complicated, but it's really simple. When someone clicks on your video, they want to feel like they made the right choice. So in the first few seconds, show them something that matches your thumbnail. If your thumbnail shows that you are pointing at a chart or you are pointing at some earnings on your YouTube video or on your dashboard, show that chart at the beginning of your video. If your thumbnail shows a shocking reaction, then create that shocking shot at the start of your video, because this is going to make them feel satisfied and they are more likely to keep watching your video than you are think. Now let's talk about the watch time. The YouTube algorithm love watch time more than anything, and if you can keep people watching your videos, YouTube is going to be pushing your video to more people on YouTube. And the best way to do this is by storytelling on your video. Don't just throw information at your viewers like a textbook. Tell it like a story and share personal experiences. Then show the mistakes you have made and how you fix them. This keep people hooked and they are going to be watching your video because they will want to know how to get their own problems solved too. And finally, the most important thing you need to pay attention to is your CTA, which is call to action. Don't just say subscribe to my channel. That is very boring. Instead, connect it to what they just watched. For example, you can say something like this: now that you have know how to get your first 1000 subscribers, you need to learn how to get your first 4000 watch hour so that you can get monetized quick. So click in the next video right here and I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to get your 4000 watch hour. That way they will know exactly what to do next and they are excited to keep watching your video. And that is why I am telling you right now to watch this video on how to make the algorithm love your content. Getting your 1000 subscribers is one of the biggest milestones people are looking to achieve, and that is how you can actually grow from 0 to 1000 subscribers fast, even if you are a total beginner. All you have to do is to model what is already working on YouTube and create a better thumbnail for your video. Hook the people in the first 5 seconds and tell the story that keep them watching your videos. Do this and you will see your subscribers and your channel grows way faster than you ever thought possible. So thanks for watching this video and I will meet you in my next video. If you find this video very helpful and you want more of this video, then subscribe to this channel and I'll meet you in my next video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question or if you want me to make another video based on any topic related to YouTube growth. I'll meet you in my next video. Thanks.